I come from Russia and I came to Sheiap in 2019. The reason I'm here is my Chinese husband. When I was in Russia, a lot of things were imported from China. And now, when I came to Sheiap in 2018, I think there weren't high-rise buildings. But now, there are a lot of high-rise buildings and new roads have been built. In the future, we plan to do some trade and let more people know about China through internet, through short videos, and welcome more people to travel in China. China focus on culture. The second thing, economic changes in all aspects. The third thing, I think, it's good development between trade relationships of two countries. And I think Russia and China are good brothers.